It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I am your host, Ben, and we're going to dive in. Right now, we're having a little bit of a pullback across the market. Bitcoin pulling all the way back to the 60,000 support, but never get over that 63.5 area. So it's already bouncing, but we need to see it continue to bounce back up over these EMAs and go bullish again. If we crack 60,000, that's going to kill off some momentum in the crypto market. So we do got to be aware of that. The last time Bitcoin hit all new highs, let me take this off here, guys. Last time Bitcoin hit new highs, it pulled back, and we had a pretty big pullback on it. So I was expecting more of a run out of Bitcoin this time, at least up to 75K, but we do got to be aware that this run could be over with for now. However, this 60,000 support line has held up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if it holds up this time. Stream breaking up here. Check the stream health. Alright, something's happening with my Wi-Fi. Give me half a second. This is the problem with live streams. You can't make things go perfect every day. Alright, so let's see if that works. But, as I was saying, Bitcoin has held up 8 days so far above 60,000. So if we can confirm this and tomorrow we see a push back over this 63,000 of both the tops of these candles, we could have an immediate bullish move out of Bitcoin. At the moment, I mean, there's been a lot of good headlines, but just looking at the technical analysis side, I mean, we did get 3 peaks before we hit a high. So we could be in this phase here where we had a nice peak breaking the 58,000 high and then pulling back to the 50, because the 50 is way down here on the daily chart. So Bitcoin, if it needs to hold 60,000 till this 50-day catches up with it. If we see that happen, I think Bitcoin will be fine. It is affecting Shiba a little bit, but not too much. I'm still holding my entire swing on Shiba here on Coinbase Pro. My long-term position is on Voyager, but I'm up about close to $500 so far on this Shiba swing because I took a big nasty loss on auction. But let's go ahead and dive into some of the other coins here. See if we have any top gainers. DVPN actually top gainer of the day, and Atom as well. So both of those in the Cosmos ecosystem. Atom being the main coin, but breaking out there up to 42.50. We was talking about this triangle, beautiful breakout. If you did not add in this dip to 31 to 32, like I was talking about, feel sorry for you. What's up, Lauren? I'm still staking DVPN. This is a compounding position that I'm growing on it with the Kepler wallet, but no surprise to me to see DVPN and Atom and any other Cosmos coins up right now. Now, it could be, now this is actually, I was just saying this, I think, to Ruben the other day, a couple of days ago. It could be that last time we had the big run up. Not, let me go back to Bitcoin. So, well, actually, I can just do it from Atom. When we had the initial run up, you know, Bitcoin had rebounded somewhere in here, and we'll go look at it and confirm it. But this is September 3rd-ish area is where I'm thinking it was, where Bitcoin started rebounding. And after Bitcoin rebounded, Cosmos, Luna, all of the Cosmos ecosystem coins and blockchains built from Cosmos started exploding on this rip, and they ran for about 2-3, how long was that? It was about a week, I guess. Maybe over a week. It was a nice long run, 2 weeks. And see, even XPRT is coming up. Same thing. All these Cosmos tokens. So let's check Luna. Luna has to be coming up too. Yeah, so Luna pushing back up as well. So first it was Bitcoin, and then it was SHIB, and then it was the Cosmos ecosystem. And that means also that we should see Avalanche. And there was one Solana, which we're seeing Solana rip. Now that's why I got back into these, because that was the same trend as last time. So let's pop into Bitcoin and look at this. So remember, September 3rd. Remember that date, somewhere around there, August, September 3rd. Remember that. All right, and then we're going to beat Bitcoin, September 3rd, August. See, Bitcoin went on that, started running in July. That was the first one. And then if we go into SHIB, it was right around September where Bitcoin had a pullback, and that's when Cosmos and Luna and all of them were ripping. So let's go to SHIB, and I guarantee SHIB was in the middle. I guarantee SHIB's rip was right here somewhere in the middle of August and well, let's see. Yeah, probably right here in August. So let's go back to SHIB and look at this. So it looks like we're following that same exact trend of this last recent run. And if that's the case, we're going to see a lot more altcoins popping. It's going to be that hot altcoin season. So, oh yeah, SHIB, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, yeah, so SHIB's pretty much been going straight up since then. Let's see. Where was October? Oh yeah, that's right. SHIB, here it is. So, what's following the blue line? What are you talking about, Lauren? Let me refresh the stream here on my end. There we go. I think we're good now. Yeah, got an excellent connection. Okay. So what was you saying, Lauren? I didn't get it. We should be good to go now on the. Shouldn't been having any issues. But yeah, Avalanche and Solana, I think. Well, Solana did push for new highs already. Solana was the first one after SHIB, I think. Yep, and look at that. It's like perfect clockwork. So if that continues, we should be able to call almost every single pop. Because the next group after Cosmos, Solana, Luna, which means, yeah, Fetch popping out of here. I'm going to start looking at Fetch for a position once I get out of this SHIB swing here on Coinbase Pro. Because Fetch is Cosmos and AI technology, make the blockchains run smoother. I'm pretty bullish on it. Don't know why I just didn't grab some down at 70, but whatever. I was waiting for this breakout because I was afraid it was going to dip some more. And I'd rather get it cheaper, but not dipping. So this 75 area, 70 cent area for Fetch.ai. Not a bad support area for entries. But yeah, I'm going to have to remember, let's see, Cardano, when did Cardano rip? Cardano's rip was August. So Cardano ripped right around as support. So we want to see that hold. And let's look a lot closer on the 15-minute, how many times it's touched that area of support. Yeah, see, we're at it right now, just about testing it. Actually, yeah. That's a crooked line. Let me straighten that line real quick. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we got multiple candles on the first part of this rip where it tested this area. This is on the 15 minutes, so this has all been today because it just broke out today. Am I still having issues with the connection?